Come on, baby, do the locomotion.
I know you get to like it if you give it a chance now.
Come on, baby, do the locomotion.
My little baby sister can do it with ease. It's easier than learning your ABCs. So come on, do the locomotion with me. You gotta swing your hips now. Come on, baby, jump left and jump back. Now I think you got the knack. Whoa, whoa, now that you can do it, let's make a change now.
Come on, baby, do the locomotion.
A chugga motion like a railroad train now.
Come on, baby, do the locomotion.
Do it fast and easy now and don't lose control. A little bit of rhythm and a lot of soul. So come on, do the locomotion with me. You gotta swing your hips now. Come on, baby, jump up and jump back. Well, now I think you got the knack. Whoa, move around the floor in a locomotion.
Come on, baby, do the locomotion.
Do it holding hands if you get the notion.
Come on, baby, do the locomotion.
There's never been a day that's so easy to do. It even makes you happy when you're feeling blue. So come on, do the locomotion with me.
Kids, everybody turn and look at your moms and dads. How about a big hand for the locomotion train? You guys are fabulous.